it's hard, but I don't mind. In my quiet moments, I find my peace of mind.
Raindrops dancing on the window pane, a melody that eases all my pain. The world slows down as the rain falls near, whispering secrets only I can hear. With every drop, I feel so free. In this quiet storm, it's just you and me. On these rainy days, I feel alive. The rhythm of the rain, it helps me survive. In the stillness, I find my way, embracing the beauty of these rainy days. Oh, these rainy days, wash it all away. Let the storm clear and brighten the gray. Walking slowly through the misty air, the world feels soft without a care. Each night echoes in the wet ground. In the silence, my soul is found. The world slows down as the rain follows near, whispering secrets only I can hear. With every drop, I feel so free. In this quiet storm, it's just you and me. On these rainy days, I feel alive. The rhythm of the rain, it helps me survive. In the stillness, I find my way, embracing the beauty of these rainy days. Oh, these rainy days, wash it all away. Let the storm clear and brighten the gray. Let the rain wash away my doubts. In the sound of silence, I'm finding out that the storm inside will soon subside. And in the rain, I will confide. On these rainy days, I feel alive. The rhythm of the rain, it helps me survive. In the stillness, I find my way, embracing the beauty of these rainy days. Oh, these rainy days, wash it all away. Let the storm clear and brighten the gray. And as the rain fades, I'll find the sun. And a new chapter starts when the storm is done. On these rainy days, I'm whole. The rain has cleansed my soul.